Well, hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Now, if this is your first time here, I'm Faren. My first name is Fred, and here on my channel, I love talking about all things hair care, beauty, lifestyle, all the things. So if you enjoyed this video, please make sure that you are subscribed, turn on those notifications, and be sure to give this video a thumbs up once we get towards the end. It's Valentine's Day week, and I decided that I was going to do a week of loves. Someone recently asked me what are my favorite shampoos, and I said, you know what? Let's just talk about my favorite products every day up until Valentine's Day. Really quick disclaimer, I am going to add this to my favorites playlist. If you see an old video about my former faves, I can't tell you how I feel about them now. 9 times out of 10, they're not in my stash anymore. I never use them on colored hair. And honestly, my favorite products could change by next week. So I can't really answer any questions about how I feel about my old products that I've talked about or old products that I loved. You're just gonna have to go based off of that video. With that being said, let's hop into this because I don't need this to be super long. And this is at random, and I don't even have all of them in front of me because I'm being lazy. We will start with Miche Beauty's clarifying shampoo. I love that shampoo, and one is because I like the nozzle. You don't have to go ham and apply it directly to your scalp, but I like to because I tend to have a itchy, flaky scalp, and it's just something about adding the shampoo directly to your scalp and then working up a lather. I'm sure there is a salon expert that will tell you that is not the way to cleanse your hair. That is not the way to shampoo. And I understand that. I don't do that every wash day, but there are some wash days I just want to apply the shampoo directly to my scalp, and it's okay. So that is one of my favorite shampoos right there. Another one that I love that is also clarifying is the Blue Tansy shampoo from Adwoa Beauty. I speak about it all the time. It's a gel shampoo, doesn't really leave my hair feeling stripped, and my coils really love it. Another one that I don't have in front of me right now is their 𝐴𝐻Net moisturizing shampoo. Listen, if you do, because y'all know I've been into hot oil treatments, we'll talk about those in a different video, but if you do a hot oil treatment like a pre-poo and then you go in with that 𝐴𝐻Net moisturizing shampoo, the tingle that it gives your scalp is heavenly, okay? So that has really been something that I've been trying to do more often, but I just love the 𝐴𝐻Net collection in general. So that is another one of my favorite shampoos. Keep it going with the clarifying, I guess. I really enjoy Olaplex's clarifying shampoo. I like their number 4, but it's something about this 4C that I like a little bit better. I don't use it often. I probably only use this 3 times, to be honest, but it gets everything off of your hair. My hair feels not stripped, balanced, and usually I'm using this before I use their like bonding treatment, or you know, before I really want to add some intense moisture. I really like to reach for the 4C shampoo. Next up, we have the pH Maintenance Peptide Prep Shampoo from K18. This is one of my favorite shampoos. It's so gentle, and my hair just feels like just right. You know what I'm saying? I don't feel like it's super moisturizing. It's definitely not stripping, but my hair just feels really balanced. And I just really like this shampoo. My hair just feels clean. My coils don't seem as frizzy. Like, but I'm also a fan of K18. And so, yeah, I've used many bottles of this peptide prep. Enjoy it, most definitely. And another shampoo, before I forget, because it's also not in front of me. I don't have it in my stash currently, but the Avocado Infusion Moisturizing Shampoo from Kiki Tresses is so good. It is so moisturizing. So if your hair is dry, thirsty, or if you clarify and you feel like your hair is stripped and you want to put some moisture back into your hair, yeah, go ahead and pick that one up. Kiki Tresses is definitely for the kinky coily girls, so try it out if you haven't. And last but certainly not least, it is the Hydration Shampoo from Pattern Beauty. I love this thing. I love this shampoo down bad for some reason. Once again, it's hydrating. I will use their cleansing shampoo. It's not really my favorite. I'll use it for one rinse, and then I'll follow up with this one immediately, and it just puts that little oomph back into my hair. Once again, I just feel like my coils really like this cleanser, and so I'm gonna give Fred whatever he wants, you know what I mean? See, I said you can have whatever you like, and so why would I keep Fred from something that he likes? Anywho, I told y'all I was gonna keep these videos short and sweet. Those are my favorite standout shampoos that I absolutely adore. No, this is not every shampoo that is in my stash, but these are ones that I tend to reach for more often than others. As always, comment down below and let me know what are your favorite shampoos, and I remind you, make sure you're subscribed because I'll be here every day this week talking about a different favorite. So thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next one.